Hey y'all, it's Justin Bell from Justin Bell Airsoft. I'm Bill. I know it's been a while since I put out a video. Life kind of happened. Moved, a few other things, but I'm back and with a Airsoft GI mystery box. This one is the Summer Winnings mystery box. It is a set price list, so no kind of wish list. I mean, you could probably put, hey, I'd like this out of the price list and maybe get it. But without further ado, let's get into this. Make sure we don't block the camera with that. Chair makes it easier to spin this around. So this normally retails, this box, while it's still out, normally retails for $250. It was on a shocker deal for $225, and then it was $54 shipping, which I don't worry about that so much. So let's get into it and see what we got. Looks like, okay. Looks like one of the Lancer Tacticals. Ooh, a bunch of bubble wrap. See which one here in a second. Oh, okay. What is this? Oh! Did I get one of... Oh, shit. Yes. Okay, move that out of the way. So, we got the packing slip tucked in here. Judging by this, so it says it is one of the Lancer Tactical Gen 4 Predator Delta 13-inch rail. Looking at this, I don't know, it might be, we'll see. But we have a paper in here. Maybe it's an advertisement. It's got the MGC4 MK3. Let's see what's in here. Adjustable rotary hop up, adjustable juice, nice. Okay, in the box, I see the normal plastic pack up here. Maybe not. Let's see. Oh, that's a neat patch. Predator. Oh, it is all metal. Let's see, set that there. We have the rifle, first cleaning rod. APM 140. Is this one of theirs? Yeah, this is Lancer. There must be a newer one that came out. Front sights, or the sights. Silicone, don't need that. Very tiny. Allen wrench. And that looks like to be it. So I don't have... Oh, it does lock back too. Predator. If I remember right, these have the, that's a nice stock too. The M-lock here, we got a little bit of Picatinny on the front and the back. The rest is all M-lock. It is metal rail. Lower and upper are, feel like they might be metal? Yeah. And, what is going on? Let's see. It's not wired to the front, so it's got to be wired to the back. Huh? Why do I always have problems with these? We will figure out at a later time how to get into the battery space. Doesn't look like there's much. Is that a key thing? Oh, we'll see. Anyways, we'll figure that out later. When I saw this box, I was actually kind of wanting one of these Gen 4s. I have a Gen 2. Actually, I have two of them, I think. And I saw the internals and everything on these. I don't know. No, I don't see MGC4 on it. Because it's usually would be labeled if it was an MG. Yeah, it's got the Nebula. Oh, the Nebula 2. Okay. I do believe it's got a 6.3 inner barrel, upgraded motor, pop up, that kind of stuff. A little loose in the mag, but that's a big mag release. Ambi selector switch, say semi-auto, and it does do the thing. Rotary hop up. Said I'll have to figure this out, how to get into the battery. I'm not used to the stock. We'll figure that out later. But there we have it. Lancer Gen 2 Prickler. What does it say? 13.5 inch. It's a long boy. Yeah, 13.5. Yep. And I will be I've got some of the gameplay videos that I've had for a while that I haven't had the time or the means to deal with. I know I have a few that don't have audio in the background or music playing in the background, so I'll be able to post those. And then we'll figure out the ones with the music in it. But till next time, stay safe, play safe, and later, y'all.